Let me go ahead and introduce to you now the graduating class of the spring semester of 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, come on out.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation.
Many of our graduates are working actors. They work in film, they work in television, commercials, corporate speaking engagements, and they also work as agents. They work as casting directors, film and theater directors, screenwriters, arts administrators, broadcasters, primary and secondary educators, set, sound, and lighting designers, makeup artists, costume and wardrobe designers. And some are business owners, attorneys. The list goes on.
Hold on to me.
It's a grueling program. And through a lot of your sweat and your blood and your tears, you select few have made it. So congratulations and give yourself a round of applause. We're proud of you. Woo!
Finally!
To the faculty and staff of KD, thank you so much for all of the hard work, the time that you guys put in, teaching us everything that we needed to know to go out here and make this thing work.
I want to thank my brother for coming down from South Carolina, my in-laws for helping me with this transition from being a soldier to just being a civilian.
First, I would like to say, thank you, Jesus. Oh my goodness, y'all. This has been one of the best experiences I have ever gone through. I thank God, of course. I don't want to sound cliche, but honestly, I give all glory and honor to God.
I also don't want to forget about thanking Wi-Fi, because without Wi-Fi, a lot of, work that we did all this time, wouldn't have been possible. So don't forget about Wi-Fi. It doesn't get thanked enough,
If you're my teacher and you're here in this room and you enjoyed having me as a student, can I get a yes, sir? That's right. Thank you.
Well, I wanted to be cool and pull like the note thing out of my shirt pocket, but I don't got one. So I learned a lot at KD Conservatory. I learned a lot about myself, and I also learned how to overcome something I've been wanting to do for the longest, which is work on my patience and my ability to not become nervous when talking in front of like a whole bunch of people.
I'd like to say, man, this has been a blessing. We got to do this again. We got to do this again. Love y'all. Thank you very much.